Hi, my dear students. Now I'll discuss with reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of carbonyl compounds. It is very important, my dear students. You have to remember. Okay. Reduction of carbonyl compounds. Now see, it is a R. Sorry, it is R. C double bond O. It is H. H or it is a R. If you take H, that is aldehyde. If you take R, that is ketone. On reduction, what happened here? It is a very important, my dear students. You have to remember all those things. Okay, very important. Okay, on reduction, carbonyl compounds on reduction in addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or it is a palladium. Second one, LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride. Next one, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Next one, sodium metal in presence of alcohol, C2H5OH. Listen carefully. Next one, it is a zinc amalgam, ZnHz, zinc amalgam in presence of concentrated HCl. This is also called as a Clemmensen reduction. Neighborhood reactions are very important, my dear students. Clemmensen reduction. Next one, hydrazine NH2 and NH2 in presence of base, that is a KOH. It is a glycol. KOH glycol. It is Wolff-Kishner reaction. Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Wolff-Kishner. It is very important, my dear students. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Last one, it is a red phosphorus in presence of it is a HI. Okay, see here. Carbonyl compounds undergoes reduction. These all are it is a reducing agents. First one, addition of hydrogen in presence of catalyst, that is a nickel, platinum or palladium. Second one, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride and sodium metal in presence of ethyl alcohol, zinc amalgam and concentrated Cl. Next one, it is a hydrazine in presence of KOH, that is called as a Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Red phosphorus in presence of it is a HI. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 reactions are example of it is a reduction reactions. It is very important. Suppose you have to see there. These 4 reagents, you will get alcohols. Very important, my dear students. So it is a aldehydes or ketones. Anyone, aldehydes or ketone undergoes reduction in presence of anyone, that is a H2 or lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride and sodium metal in presence of ethyl alcohol, you will get alcohols. Remaining, it is a, you have to see there, this one, it is a Clemmensen reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction and red phosphorus HI, you will get the alkane. It is very important, my dear students. You will get alkanes. Okay, so suppose if you take this one, you will get it is a alcohol. Suppose you are taking it is a zinc amalgam and the three reagents, you will get it is a alkanes. You have to remember this one. Okay, next one. Now I will take it is a first one reaction. Okay, so that is a aldehydes. Okay, it is very important. Suppose if Okay, if aldehydes undergoes reduction, you will get primary alcohols. It is very very important. Primary alcohols. Okay, it is a primary. If aldehydes undergoes, it is a reduction. You will get it is a reduction. R means reduction. You will get a primary alcohol. If ketone, it is a if ketone undergoes, it is a reduction. You will get secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. Okay. Tertiary alcohols cannot prepare. Cannot prepare. It is a tertiary alcohol. So you have to remember the same reaction you have to utilize for the preparation of alcohols. It is very very important. Preparation of alcohols. See, suppose I will take it is a formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde formula is it is a C double bond O. It is a H and H plus in presence of what happened here, in presence of addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or it is a palladium. Okay, what happened here? Four nascent hydrogens, it is a two nascent hydrogens, I think, sorry, it is a two nascent hydrogens. What happened here? Here one pi bond is lost, here one hydrogen adding here one hydrogen adding here. You will get what is the compound? Tell me. It is a CH3. It is a OH. This is a methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. It is a 1 degree alcohol. I told clearly. Next one. Suppose CH3. It is a C double bond O. Okay. This one. It is a CH3. It is a H. It is a formaldehyde. Okay, I'll write here only. Formaldehyde contains one carbon. You will get it is a one carbon. It is a alcohol. Okay, next one. It is the acetaldehyde. It is a acetaldehyde. What happened here? Same thing. It is a two nascent hydrogens in presence of. Okay, sorry. It is a H2. Okay, addition of H2 in presence of nickel, platinum or palladium or second reagent, that is a LiAlH4, it is a or. Okay, third reagent, it is a NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Anyone you will take. Okay, same thing you have to form this one. Same, it is acetaldehyde. You will get same thing here. Here bond breaking. What happened here? Here one hydrogen. You will get CH3. Okay, already one hydrogen is there. That is a CH2. It is a OH. It is also primary alcohol. It is a ethyl alcohol. It is very important, my dear students. Next one. Suppose if you take it is a ketone, C double bond O. It is a CH3. In presence of same conditions. Here also same conditions. Here one pi bond is lost. Here one hydrogen. You will get CH3C. It is OH. Okay, hydrogen. It is a H. It is a CH3. It is a secondary alcohol. Very important, my dear students. It is a 2-propanol. Is formed. So this is for it is a what we observed here. We have to prepare. Suppose if you will take it is a aldehyde, you will get a primary alcohol. If you take it is a ketone, you will get it is a secondary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols cannot be prepared in this method. It is very very important, my dear students. Next one. Okay, what is the mechanism? Is very important mechanism. Okay, see here, mechanism. See, okay, mechanism. See, my dear students. Okay, first of all, CH3, C double bond O, it is H. Plus, okay, hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen, single bond hydrogen gives rise to in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst. This is the example of free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism means what happened here? Here homolytic cleavage takes place. So after bond breaking, what happened here? Here one electron and here one electron. These two are free radicals. Here also same. After bond breaking, it is here one electron, here one electron. One hydrogen adding here, one hydrogen adding here. You will get it is a CH3, CH2. It is a OH. It is very simple, my dear students. For the mechanism, addition of hydrogen to carbonyl compounds in presence of nickel, platinum and palladium. This is the example of it is a free radical mechanism. Next one. Suppose this is the first one mechanism. In case if you take it is a lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. This one, see here. Lithium. I will rub this one. Next one it is a lithium. Second one, it is important, my dear students. Mechanism. That is a LiAlH4 or NaBH4 sodium borohydrate in presence of ether. It is ether and is hydrolysis. This is the condition. See all of you. What happened? First, it is a LiAlH4 gives rise to. What happened here? That is a Li plus and AlH4 minus. Li plus AlH4 minus. Next one. Suppose if you take this one, it is a NaBH4 gives rise to. It is Na plus and it is a BH4 minus. First step. This is the in mechanism. This is the first step. In second step, what happened here? That is a AlH4 minus gives rise to. It is a H minus plus. It is a AlH3. AlH3 is formed. This is the hydride ion. It is very important. This is hydride ion. Hydride ion is produced from it is a second step. Same thing here also same. That is a BH4 minus gives rise to. It is a H minus plus. It is a BH3 is formed. This is a hydride ion. It is very important, my dear students. Next one, now you will take it is a carbonyl compound. That is a C double bond O. It is a CH3. Next one, it is a H plus. It is a, see here, it is a H minus is attacking. So these two electrons are shifting to here. It is a minus. It is a plus. My dear students, this is very important. Gives rise to. What happened here? It is a H minus attacking here only. That is a C. It is a CH3. It is a H. Next one, it is a H. It is a O. It is a minus. It is a lone pair. Next. So it is a next. It is a H plus in presence of H plus in presence of water. It is a C. H plus on hydrolysis. It is a H plus. H plus is attacking here only. You will get that. What is the compound, my dear students? It is a CH3, CH2. It is a OH. It is a alcohol. It is a 1 degree alcohol. See here. So if you take aldehyde, you will get 1 degree alcohols. This is the mechanism about it is a lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Once again, first step. So this is the third step. In first step, what happened? It can be so it can split into Li plus and AlH4 minus. Then AlH4 minus gives rise to H minus and AlH3. This is the hydride ion. So here these two electrons are shifting to here. it is a H plus and O minus. It is a hydride ion. Hydride ion is coming from, it is a reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Okay, so attacking here only to form this compound. Next one, on hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium, this H plus attacking here, you will get alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. Okay, this one. Now you have to verify here. It is a lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, which is good reducing agent. Sodium, okay, lithium aluminum hydride is the good reducing agent. Why? Because of it is a, you have to see there, this one, it is a aluminum. Okay, by the formation of H, okay, H minus ions can easily from, it is a aluminum, this one, because of aluminum is a big size of atom than boron. That's why, okay, so it can release H minus ion easily. That's why it is a lithium aluminum hydride is good reducing agent than sodium borohydride. But this is a more expensive. That is very, very important. You have to remember, this is a more expensive reaction. Okay, this is for, it is a aldehyde. Suppose if you take ketone, okay, if you take ketone, what happened here? It is a C double bond. Okay, it is a H, sorry, it is a CH3. Next one, it is a CH3 plus. Hydride ion, it is a H minus ion. From, it is a lithium aluminum hydride. Okay, these two electrons are shifting to oxygen. It is a minus, it is plus. Okay, next one, it is a, this hydride ion is shifting to here. You will get a CH3, C, it is a, sorry, it is a CH3. Next one, it is a hydrogen and O minus. O minus, it is a lone pair. Next one, on hydrolysis in presence of acidic medium, it is a H2O. This is attacking here only. You will get, it is a H is attacking here only to form, it is a, what you observe here, it is a CH3, it is a CH. Okay, next one, it is a CH3, CH3, it is a OH. It is a secondary alcohol. It is very important, my dear students. This is the mechanism of, it is a lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Okay, next one. Suppose, it is very important. Okay. CH3, CH, double bond CH, next one, it is a CHO, gives rise to, okay, see my dear students, H2, by the addition of H2 in presence of nickel or platinum or it is palladium. So this one, it is a LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, ether in presence of, it is a H3O plus. Okay, same thing. See here. Okay, so it is very important. Same, it is a sodium borohydride. It is a ether. It is a H3O plus. What happened here? It is very important, my dear students. See, it is a CH3, okay, C. It is a CH3, CH2, next one it is CH2, next it is a CH2, it is a OH. Okay, next, what is the product here? It is a CH3, CH2, sorry, CH double bond CH, next one it is a CH2OH. Next here, this product CH3, CH, double bond CH and CH2, it is OH. You have to verify here, this is a unsymmetric, unsaturated aldehyde. What is this name? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond in between 2 and 3. It is a 2-ene butanaldehyde. butanaldehyde. Okay, 2 in butanaldehyde. 2 in butanaldehyde undergoes reduction. So in presence of H2 we can produce, it is a saturated alcohol. In presence of lithium aluminum hydride you can form, it is a unsaturated alcohols. Both the conditions unsaturated alcohols. What happened here? Okay, if you take, it is a unsaturated aldehydes. Okay, in presence of in presence of nickel or palladium and palladium or platinum catalyst, both the, okay, C double bond C and CHO, both the groups are can oxidize. Okay, it can undergoes oxidation. Okay, both are undergoes oxidation. Okay, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, only aldehyde can be okay, it can be converting into alcohols, cannot be reduced. It is a C double bond and C double bond. It is very very important, my dear students. Okay, so this one, suppose in case it is a phenyl hydrazine is there. Okay, phenyl hydrazine is there. Okay, phenyl hydrazine group is there. It can reduce both the cases. For example, see here, it is a phenyl group, that is a C6H5, it is a CH double bond, it is a CH and a CHO. Okay, gives rise to, in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or it is a sodium borohydride, what happened here? That is a C6H5. Okay, it is a CH2 single bond, it is CH2, it is a CH2, it is OH. What we observed here, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, in presence of this one, if phenyl group is there, it can reduce both the double bond and the aldehyde. You have to see here, this is very very important. For aliphatic only, in case aliphatic unsaturated aldehydes is there, so it can reduce only carbonyl group but not is a double bond. In case of it is a phenyl group is present, both the groups are, it is a double bond and the aldehyde group, both are can oxidize, can reduce the compounds. This is the reduction of, it is a carbonyl compounds. Okay, next one, it is I think it is a one more, it is a mechanism is pending is there, that is the with sodium metal in presence of, with sodium metal see all of you, CH3 C double bond O, it is H, it is a two nascent hydrogens. See here, in presence of, okay, sodium metal and C2H5OH, here bond break, one hydrogen here, we will get CH3 CH2, it is a OH. My dear students, okay, what is mechanism? Okay, in mechanism is very very important. In mechanism, see here, okay, now it is a C double bond C, it is a H, next it is, sorry, it is a CH3, it is a H, in presence of, okay, C, it is very very important, my dear students. These two electrons are shifting here, it is a negative charge, it is a positive charge, very very important, my dear students. Next one, it is a Na plus, in sodium metal gives rise to Na plus and E minus, this E are attacking here only, okay, gives rise to, it is a CH3C, okay, and the hydrogen. Okay, next one, it is a one electron, is a O and minus, means it is a two electrons, and again see here, and again it is a sodium metal gives rise to, it is Na plus and E minus, this E minus attacking here only to form, okay, what happened here, this one I will write here only, CH3C hydrogen, okay, it is a one more electron is adding here, it is a lone pair, it is a minus charge, single bond, it is a O, okay, O, it is a lone pair, it is a minus. Next one, what happened here, it is very very important, my dear students, that is a C2H5, it is a O and H, these two electrons are gained by, it is a oxygen, Okay, it is eliminated as a H plus. H plus attacking, it is a this only. First of all, attacking here only. Gives rise to, that is a CH3, C, it is a H, next one H, and O, it is a lone pair, it is a minus. Again, it is a C2H5, it is a OH. Here bond breaking. These two electrons gained by oxygen. It is H plus is attacking here only. You will get what is the final product, my dear students? See here. It is already down only. Okay. So what is this one? It is a CH3, CH2. It is a OH. This is the mechanism of, it is a sodium metal in presence of ethyl alcohol. Sorry, the C2H5OH.